Welcome to today's video. Learning English has become more important than ever. Whether you want a better job, plan to travel, study abroad, or simply connect with people around the world, English opens the door to many possibilities. Today, I will explain why learning English matters so much and how you can learn it in the easiest and most effective way. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin this journey together. Why should you learn English? English is the most widely spoken language in the world. It is the official or second language in more than 50 countries. Over 1.5 billion people speak English today. That means if you know English, you can talk to almost anyone, anywhere. It connects people from different cultures, backgrounds, and countries. With English, you are never truly alone. You can always find someone to talk to. English is also the main language of the internet. Most websites, apps, social media platforms, and online videos are in English. If you understand English, you can learn anything from anywhere. You can watch videos, read books, join courses, and explore new topics without limits. When it comes to jobs and career, English is a big advantage. Many international companies require their employees to know English. Even in your own country, you'll find more job opportunities if you can speak English well. It helps you stand out and show your skills on a global level. Education is another important reason. Many top universities and online learning platforms teach in English. If you want to study abroad, do research, or join international programs, knowing English is necessary. It's the key to higher education and academic success. Also, English gives you access to great entertainment. You can enjoy movies, music, books, and games in their original form without translation. This makes the experience more real and more fun. You'll understand the jokes, feel the emotions, and connect with the stories deeply. But most importantly, English gives you confidence. When you speak English, you feel stronger, smarter, and more connected. You can travel easily, make new friends, ask for help, and share your thoughts clearly. It builds your personality and improves your social life. What is the easiest way to learn English? Now that we know why English is important, let's talk about how to learn it in the simplest and most enjoyable way. The first step is to build a strong reason. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for my career, travel, study, or just to understand songs and movies? When you know your reason, you will stay motivated, even when it gets difficult. Next, start with what you love. If you enjoy stories, read short stories in English. If you like music, listen to English songs and read the lyrics. If you are a movie lover, start watching films with English subtitles. When learning feels fun, you learn faster. Start small. Don't try to learn everything at once. Learn 5 to 10 new words every day. Use those words in simple sentences. Repeat them throughout the day. This helps your memory and builds your vocabulary slowly but strongly. Focus on the 4 main skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Listen to English audio every day: podcasts, YouTube videos, news, or conversations. Try to speak even if you are alone. Describe your room, your day, your feelings. Reading English texts helps you learn grammar naturally. And writing small texts, like daily journals or social media captions, improves your structure. Use your phone as your teacher. Change the language of your phone to English. Download language apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or BBC Learning English. Set reminders and practice a little every day. Don't be afraid of grammar. You don't need to know every rule at the beginning. Learn the most common tenses: present, past, and future. Focus on how they are used in real conversations. Practice using examples, not just rules. Find a learning partner. It could be a friend, classmate, or even someone online. Practice speaking with them. Teach each other. Learning together makes it more fun and helps you stay on track. Watch English videos with subtitles. Choose simple videos like children's stories or beginner lessons. First, watch with subtitles. Then, try to watch again without them. This helps your listening and understanding. Repeat what you hear. This is called shadowing. Listen to a short sentence and repeat it immediately. Try to match the tone and rhythm. This will improve your accent, pronunciation, and fluency. Keep a notebook. Write down new words, phrases, and sentences. Review them often. Use colors, pictures, and examples to make it easier to remember. Make mistakes. Yes, mistakes are part of learning. Don't feel shy. Speak freely. Write boldly. Every mistake teaches you something. Without mistakes, there is no progress. Create a routine. Learn English every day, even if only for 10 minutes. Morning is a great time because your mind is fresh. Night is also good. You can review what you learned. A routine builds habits, and habits bring results. Set small goals. For example, this week, I will learn 20 new words. Or, today, I will write one paragraph about my favorite food. Celebrate your progress. Small wins give you big motivation. Be patient and kind to yourself. Learning a language takes time. You don't have to be perfect, just keep going. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. If you like stories, one of the best ways to learn English is by listening to story videos, just like the ones on this channel. When you hear real conversations and emotions, you remember the language better. You also learn how people express feelings, solve problems, and describe life. Stories help you learn naturally, without pressure. Use English in your daily life. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Send short texts to friends in English. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Join English groups online. There are many Facebook groups, Telegram channels, and learning forums where people like you share tips, ask questions, and practice together. You are not alone on this journey. Celebrate your progress. Take time to notice how far you've come. Maybe you can now understand a short video. Maybe you wrote your first English sentence. Every little success is a big step. Be proud of it. Keep your dream alive. Remember Sarah's story? She had nothing but a dream, and she made it real through effort and belief. You can do it too. Many people think learning English is too difficult. They feel afraid when they see long words, fast conversations, or big grammar books. But the truth is, learning English is like climbing a mountain. You do not need to run. You just need to take one small step every day. That is the secret. Start simple. Learn 5 new words each day. Repeat them. Use them in your own sentences. Listen to how people say them. Practice again and again. Soon, those words become part of you. You don't forget them. They become your tools. Tools for speaking, reading, understanding. The more you practice, the more your confidence grows. At first, you may say things wrong. That's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. But each mistake teaches you something new. So, don't stop. Smile, correct yourself, and try again. Use your time wisely. Listen to English songs. Watch English movies with subtitles. Read simple English stories. Speak to yourself in English when no one is watching. Write your thoughts in a notebook. Every little effort adds up. Day by day, you are building something strong. And don't forget, you are not alone. Millions of people are learning English just like you. Some are younger, some older. Some live in small villages, some in big cities. But they all share one thing: a desire to grow, to connect, to understand the world better. When you learn English, new doors open. You can read more books. You can watch more videos. You can make friends from different countries. You can apply for better jobs. You can travel and speak with people easily. The world becomes smaller, friendlier, and full of new chances. Some people think they are too old or too busy to learn. But that's not true. Learning does not stop at a certain age. You can learn at 15, 30, 60, or even 80. Your brain is always ready. It just needs a little love, patience, and time. So make a plan. Choose your time. Maybe 10 minutes every morning or 20 minutes before bed. Use free apps. Watch English YouTube channels. Join online groups. Ask questions. Speak loudly. Even if it feels silly. Even if no one is listening. You are training your mouth and mind to work together. And remember, every big journey begins with one small step. If Sarah could do it, if she could fight through fear, loneliness, and failure, then so can you. You are strong, you are smart, and you have something powerful inside you: the will to learn. Learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about believing in yourself. It's about opening your heart to new ideas, new people, and a new future. Conclusion: keep going. Learning English doesn't need to be perfect, just steady. Every small step matters. One word, one sentence, one story can open new doors. Start today and keep moving forward. English can truly change your life. Before you leave, please support this channel. Like, subscribe, and leave a kind comment. And don't forget to check out my other videos, especially the English stories. They're powerful, emotional, and great for your learning. Thank you for watching. Your journey has just begun. And I'm here with you